In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set your stop losses on MetaTrader 5. Setting a proper stop loss is one of the most important habits you can build as a trader. It helps you control risk, protect your capital, and remove some of the emotion from your decision making. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly how to set a stop loss on an existing trade using MetaTrader 5 step by step in a simple and practical way. First, make sure MetaTrader 5 is open and that you're logged into your trading account. At the bottom of the platform, look for the area where your open trades are displayed. Depending on your layout, this is commonly called the terminal, the toolbox, or the trading tab. If you don't see it, try looking at the bottom of the window for a tab labeled Trade or Trading, and click it to bring up your list of open positions. Once you can see your open trades, identify the specific trade you want to manage. Take a moment to check that it's the correct symbol and order size so you don't accidentally modify the wrong position. When you found the right one, place your mouse over that trade line and right-click on it. This opens a context menu with several options related to that order. From that menu, select the option that says Modify or Delete. This will open a new window where you can adjust the parameters of your trade. In this modification window, you'll see fields for your stop loss and take profit levels along with information about the current market price. To set your stop loss, click into the stop loss field and enter the price level where you'd like the trade to be closed if the market moves against you. Make sure this price makes sense for your strategy and is on the correct side of the current market price. For a buy trade, the stop loss should be below the current price. For a sell trade, it should be above. You can also use the small arrows next to the field, or sometimes choose a distance in points depending on your broker's settings. As you adjust the stop loss, MetaTrader 5 may show you a preview line on the chart, helping you visualize where that level will be placed. Once you're satisfied with the stop loss level, follow the on-screen prompts to confirm the change. Usually, this means clicking a button like Modify to apply your new settings. After that, your stop loss is active and linked to that trade. Always double check in the trading tab that the stop loss value appears correctly, so you know